Direct replacement, fits and performs like the original equipment on specific vehicles. Reliable fit, precision engineered to match the design and dimensions of original components. Durable construction, manufactured to strict standards using sturdy, safe materials. Rigorously tested, thorough quality control measures ensure longevity. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This suspension stabilizer bar bushing kit is precision engineered and rigorously tested to provide reliable replacement for the original equipment on specific vehicles. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. DIY money saver. Removing the old brackets was a real challenge as they were very rusty. On my 2001 Buick Century it was relatively easy to access the brackets with the front wheel removed. The long bolts ran out of room when they were almost out due to the bolt length. Fairly easy install once the old ones were removed.